Hi viewers, if anybody are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. In this video, I will explain about Internshala contest. Already all are known about Internshala. It is the best platform for the students who want to do internships or in summer or during this lockdown or any purpose you want to do internship. It is the best platform. If you want to register for this, there are so many benefits and rewards for you all. In this video, I will show how to participate in this contest and how to get cash through Paytm. I have already done a video on the registration process of Internshala. If anybody will not watch that video, definitely go and watch that video. Okay, let's start the video. I will provide link in the description box. Using that link, you can register for this. First, open the website and using this link, you can start registering for yourself. I have already registered for this, so it was showing successfully registered. If anybody wants not registered, I will provide my video link in the description box. After watching that video, start your registration process. After registering, this is the web page will be opened. If you want rewards and cash, click on participate now. In this video, I will show what are the rewards and benefits you will get after registering. The first benefit you will get is big brand internships. It is nothing but work from home chance. And second is intern with YouStars. You will get one day virtual internships with some of the youngsters. Okay, don't miss this opportunity. And third one is high paying virtual internships. You will get 13,000 plus work from home jobs with stipend up to 1.8 lakhs. If you want for this, you register. First of all, you need to register. Okay, start registering. Okay, fourth one will be early access contest. It is nothing but participate in the early access. You will get up to 10,000 exciting prizes and exciting rewards. You will get through Paytm cash, what I have been already discussed to you. These are the rewards and benefits you will get. And main point to remember is registering dates. I will show you the dates on which date you have to register. For early access contest, you need to register between 18th May to 22nd May, and for madness contest, you need to register between 23rd to 26th May. So don't miss to register during this. The second point, how you will get cashback means after registering, one link will be generated for you. You need to share that link to your friends through WhatsApp or other using other social media accounts. You need to share that link. If anybody have been registered using that link, you will get referrals. Means one referral have been registered using that link, 2 referrals. If you register as many more, you will get more cashback. So don't miss this opportunity to share the links. You can share the links through WhatsApp or any other websites. So first of all, start sharing these links. You will get really exciting prizes up to 10,000. So don't miss this opportunity, friends. So start registering. And what are the rewards you will get? For how many referrals you will get, how much money, I will discuss below. Okay, don't skip this video and start registering and start sharing these links. I will discuss the rewards here, so don't skip. Here are the rewards you will get after sharing your link and the people registered using your link. And here I will list out each and everything. The first thing is invite 5 friends and get 1 day early access pass to all internships. And second thing is invite 10 friends and get Internshala 100% placement guide. If you invite more than 10 friends, you will definitely get 7,000 Paytm cash, which I have been kept on thumbnail. Don't miss this opportunity. And for the second prize will be, and if you get more and more referrals, the second prize will get 3,000 Paytm cash. Okay, target on 7,000 Paytm cash and 3,000 Paytm cash. Don't miss this opportunity. If you try to get more and more referrals using your link, definitely you will get benefited. And here you can see how many referrals you have been started registering using your link. Means I have been using my link. The reference started registering is 1 referral has been started, and you will get contest guidelines has been displayed here. The people who refer must complete their email verification. If anybody has been completed email verification after registering, only they will be considered as a referral. So don't miss and say to them start email verification. And second one is fake or duplicate entries will not be really considered. And third thing is if you get 10 referrals, placement guide will be provided within 24 hours. So please don't miss this opportunity and start sharing, start registering, and try to register more and more referrals. You will get more benefited. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe.